Flank! Hazar!
Thank you, Honorable Ministers. Thank you, Honorable Ministers.
Ladies and gentlemen, I extend a very warm welcome to His Excellency Mr. Maithripala Sirisena, President of the Socialist Republic of Sri Lanka, and the distinguished members of his delegation to Pakistan. The visit is a testimony to the strong bonds of friendship between our two countries. Pakistan and Sri Lanka enjoy excellent relations, which are based on mutual respect and shared interest. Our relations are marked by cordiality and commonality of views on major regional and global issues. Pakistan wishes to further deepen and broaden relations with Sri Lanka in all fields of importance. During our talks today, President Sirisena and I reviewed the whole range of Pakistan-Sri Lanka multifaceted bilateral relations. The talks were marked by full trust and complete understanding. Both sides reached a broad consensus on ways and means to further strengthen our bilateral cooperation in a comprehensive manner. We focused on the need for regular political exchanges between Pakistan and Sri Lanka including high-level visits, parliamentary visits, would further strengthen the relations. Sri Lanka enjoys the special position of being the first country with which Pakistan signed a free trade agreement in August 2002. The present volume of trade does not reflect the true potential. We agreed to reinvigorate our effort to realize the goal of achieving $1 billion bilateral trade in the shortest possible time. We discussed cooperation in the field of defense. Sri Lanka has been participating in the defense exhibitions in Pakistan, while our naval ships have been regularly paying calls on the Sri Lankan ports. We agreed on the importance of tourism and the people-to-people contacts between our two countries. Sporting ties, especially in cricket, have created special bonds between our two peoples. President Sirisena and I also discussed the regional situation and the need for closer cooperation between Sri Lanka and Pakistan. I informed the President Pakistan is focused on growth and development to ensure prosperity of our people. To this end, we want peaceful relations with all our neighbors. Our meeting also allowed us to discuss cooperation between Sri Lanka and Pakistan at the multilateral forums, especially SAARC. Pakistan and Sri Lanka signed a number of MOUs, agreements today, including cooperation in sports, shipping, disaster management, narcotics matters, atomic energy, and academic interaction. They would go a long way in further strengthening Pakistan's relations with Sri Lanka. I would like to thank President Sirisena for his historic visit to Pakistan, and now I would invite His Excellency to make his remarks.
Your Excellency, Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif, distinguished members of the media, I am extremely pleased to undertake my first visit to Pakistan after my election as President. I was deeply touched by the warm welcome accorded to me and my delegation. I bring with me cordial greeting and good wishes of the people of Sri Lanka to our brothers and sisters in Pakistan. Pakistan and Sri Lanka relation spans over 6 decades and is characterized by a spirit of true friendship, mutual respect, understanding, and excellent cooperation. At critical moment in our post-independence histories, we have stood in solidarity with each other. Sri Lanka is profoundly grateful to Pakistan for the strong support we receive in our fight against terrorism, which reflects the abiding friendship we share. Prime Minister Sharif and I had wide-ranging discussions. We shared views on how we can intensify our collaborations to achieve the extraordinary excellence in our relations which our people so richly deserve. We also discussed regional and international issues of mutual interest. The 6 agreements signed a few moments ago will intensify cooperation in the field of disaster management, sports, shipping, cooperation in the field of atomic energy for socio-economic development, anti-narcotics, and academic cooperation. We agree to take steps to further improve our economic and trade relations. Sri Lanka welcomes Pakistani investment. We invite Pakistan International Airlines to recommence flight to Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka deeply appreciates the $1 million grant for the construction of houses for IDPs, and we are thankful for the $200 million credit line. We have an excellent partnership with Pakistan in the field of education. We have ancient link between our people. We need to further enhance tourism and people-to-people contact. The academic and tourism communities will undertake joint research programs on our ancient connections. We can draw strength and inspiration from the warmth of our engagement and the depth of understanding that this visit has generated for charting a more dynamic course in our relationship. I have invited Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif to undertake a visit to Sri Lanka. This would no doubt further cement our strong friendship. I thank you.